In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a draw.io diagram in Confluence. Whether you're looking to enhance your documentation with clear diagrams or streamline collaborative efforts, using draw.io in Confluence can be a game changer. Let's dive in and walk through the process step by step. First, you'll need to navigate to the For You section of Confluence. Open your web browser and head over to your Confluence homepage. The For You section is your personal dashboard where you can access all your projects and favorite pages. Once you're there, look for the Apps button. Clicking on Apps will give you access to all the add-ons and extensions available, allowing you to enhance your Confluence experience with various tools. Next, find and click on Explore More Apps. This takes you into the Atlassian Marketplace, where you can discover a wide range of apps to integrate with Confluence. Here, we'll be specifically looking for draw.io. Now, in the search bar, type in draw.io. As you type, results will appear, but you're looking for the exact name of the plugin, Draw Diagrams. It often includes notations like UML, BPMN, AWS, ERD, and flowcharts in its name. These are commonly used diagram types that you'll see listed under the description. After locating it, go ahead and click on the Draw.Diagrams listing. You should now see a Try It Free option. Click on Try It Free to initiate the free trial process. This option will allow you to experiment with Draw.io and determine how well it fits your needs without any upfront cost. After selecting Try It Free, you'll be prompted to verify your Confluence site location. Click on your site, ensuring that the plugin attaches to the correct Confluence instance. Next, you will be guided to a review page. This page explains the details of the plugin. After reviewing the information, click on the Review button. This step ensures you have everything you need before proceeding. Following that, look for the Start Free Trial option. Confirming this choice typically involves accepting terms or processing enrollment in the trial period. Your setup is almost complete. The next action is to navigate to the page where you want to embed the draw.diagram. Open the desired Confluence page by clicking on it. In edit mode, type draw.io in the page editor. You'll see an option called draw.io diagram pop up. Click on it to initiate adding a diagram. Once that's done, you'll be prompted to choose from a variety of templates. Select a template that suits your needs. You can click on Create to start building your diagram. This brings us to the last part, customizing your diagram. Adjust the elements as necessary. Once you're satisfied with your design, click on Publish to finalize and share your diagram on your Confluence page, and that's it. Now you've successfully embedded a draw.io diagram in Confluence. This powerful integration can significantly enhance your team's documentation and collaboration processes. Thank you for watching, and happy diagramming!